What's up, guys? For today's video, I'm thinking I'm gonna become a noob in Animal Company. It might sound a little bit weird, but yes. I'm gonna become a newbie in Animal Company. And yeah, so before I go in some lobbies, I'm gonna have to change my fit, because obviously if I don't change my fit, people are gonna be like, bro, you're not new, you got sunglasses that cost 700 coins, or you're not new, you have a $30 pack, bro. Like, yeah. So let's go change my outfit into the gorilla. Alright, so I'm thinking we do like this gorilla. I kind of like gorilla with that. Alright, but we're gonna none face accessories, none clothing, none. So I'm just a naked gorilla. Yacht. Alright, let's change up my color code a bit. Let's go with I think I'm gonna like this color code. Yeah, we're gonna go with this, I think. I think I'm liking this pretty good. Wow, I've not seen the gorilla fingers like on me in so long. So just playing with a reindeer, but we're gonna go and load up a random and let's see if we can trick some people. Alright.
I'm going into the secret passageway.
Can somebody teach me? Can somebody teach me how to play? I'm new.
Yeah.
Can somebody teach me? Can somebody teach me? You
plunge your man away.
Red. Can somebody teach me?
How
you
so
suck.
fast like me?
No, bro, didn't you?
Bro, look at me, I'm Plunger Man.
Alright, not a good lobby. Hello?
Enter.
Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
My infinite ammo.
Hello?
Happy in it's saying, bro.
Can somebody look?
No, this was infinite. No, this was infinite, but I was run out. Never mind.
Can somebody help me?
It's okay.
I'm new at this game. I don't know how to play.
Why?
Wait, what?
I need an infinite shotgun.
Second why now?
Can somebody help me?
Are we able to do that?
Happy holidays.
Please.
Oh, wait, how do you spell holidays? Happy
holidays.
No, it's happy holidays. Sorry, I forgot the S. Happy holidays.
Pink.
Oh, it's okay.
Pink, can you help me play? I'm new.
Do you know how to play?
No, I'm new.
Bro.
Somebody gave me
How'd you
this
get the
backpack.
Okay. Look on your wrist. Do you see the purple crystals?
Oh yeah.
I killed the
I have 3.
How many do you have?
3.
Yeah.
Go in the VR and you can spend them to unlock things.
But will somebody kill me?
In the VR world, this is a non-PvP server, so they can kill you.
Yeah. So you should have it.
Throw the free overboard.
Guys, how do you use these?
Actually, wait, I need more people.
Throw the free overboard.
I want one. I want something. Me. I want it. Can I have it, please?
I need you to the auction for it.
I don't have anything. I only have this backpack.
No. You pay me with nothing. Just like pretend it's an auction. You're paying me with shiny rock. Infinite shiny rocks. Infinite shiny rocks.
1 billion
Infinite shiny rocks. Going once.
1
Going
quadrillion
twice.
infinite shiny rocks.
What class do you have?
Whatever you just said, shiny rocks. Going once. Infinite shiny rocks.
For what?
Whatever he said, shiny rocks.
Infinite shiny
No, whoever
rocks.
gets it keeps it. 3, 2, 1.
I want
Hey,
it.
and the poor guy gets it. Yay.
Bro. I don't know how to play this game. Somebody teach me. Somebody told me to go in VR.
That's 3 times. Hold on. Wait a
Guys,
minute.
how do you guys go in
Did you shoot that
VR?
shotgun 3 times?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Explain yourself.
How do you go in VR?
Favorite server?
You put it on.
How do you put it on? Like this? Ah!
It says target.
3 times? I love that!
Target
Or else
player.
I'm gonna call the FBI.
It's
infinite.
Hey,
Hello?
do you
Can
unlock
somebody
new
teach
things?
me how to play? I'm new.
Bro, you're not.
Oh, my bad,
Yeah, I
yeah.
am.
What were those words I just heard?
Well, take
I'm
this.
new. I don't know
How
how
do you
to play.
unlock it? How do you like?
Take
How do you
this.
unlock things in the game?
What's this?
You just gotta go over to tech
Whoa!
tree.
Hey! Help! I need help! How do you use this?
It's a
Ah!
no, you gotta drop it. It's a hoverboard.
No,
That's
don't
the
drop
point
it.
of it.
I got a floor
Don't
gun.
drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop
Don't
it.
take
drop
it.
Alright. Don't drop it. People will take it
Can I
from
put
you.
this on my
Oh,
back?
don't go in PvP
No,
servers.
you have a better You have a better backpack. You have a better
Oh.
backpack.
Oh, chicken! He's a murderer.
How you get this?
Yo,
How do you
bro.
get this?
Do you want to dual wield? Here, come here. I'll help you.
Okay.
Press this green. P-R-O-G.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Now type in happy. Space. Holidays. Holidays is Holidays.
What?
Yay! I did it. Now what do I
No,
do?
no, you didn't, cause there was no coins that fell out. You gotta type it again.
Bro, is bro really trying to redeem the
HAPPY.
All right.
Guys, I have a backpack full of ray guns. Who wants to trade for it? Nobody. Your moms.
Yo, buddy,
Attack,
can I
who
trade
won?
your infinite
I
shotgun for
want
that?
Yes, I will.
I'll give you
Guys,
my
look how heavy my bag is. Look how heavy it
of
is.
my
Look how heavy my bag
for
is.
trading.
Guys, look at how heavy I am.
That's mine.
Look at how heavy I am.
Okay, I'll give
mine.
you burgers.
That's
Bro got scammed. Bro got scammed.
Look at my guys. Look at me
Can I have it
moving.
back,
I
please?
can't even move.
No, buddy.
It's out of ammo, bro.
This is mine now, bro.
How do you use this?
Why?
It's not
Why do you
working.
have to do that? Do you have to, bro?
Yes. Guys, I'm kinda stacked, bro.
Bro, can you
I'm
please give
kinda
it back?
stacked. Can you? Who wanna trade for a rocket launcher? RPG.
What do you want me to give you, freaking chicken?
Can I have
And
that?
it has bullets.
You want a freaking chicken or a shotgun that isn't loaded?
Can we trade
just
shotgun
kidding.
for that for the RPG thing?
There's no ammo.
RPG is worth more. And mine
Yeah.
has ammo, so it's like.
What else?
How much is
I
this?
just got scammed. I'm so upset.
The RPG alone is 5,000 and it has ammo, so.
That's it, buddy? 5,000?
Dude,
The shotgun.
I'll
is
give you a
$5,000
revolver for
right?
that. Can I have it back?
No.
Why?
It's win back.
Boy, why do you have to be so rude?
I am the wise one.
Can you get my shotgun back from him? Yo, that's my hover pad. I spent 4,000 on it.
Guys,
Anywhere else.
how do you play this game? Somebody gave me this.
He
And
lied.
they said
This
it was
is not
infinite.
an infinite shotgun.
But it's not infinite.
Yeah, they're not completely infinite. Nothing can be completely infinite. You need a
Shotgun ammo and RPG ammo. And
This whole bag is full of infinite. I have.
If you want it.
Anyway.
That's what I have. No.
It's done.
Aw.
I'm sorry. You want this big bag though for free? It can fit 20. It can fit 20. It can fit 20. Yeah,
Don't do my bag. Don't do my bag.
I'm not here. Who wants this? There's no more. It's a big bag. Whoever
I do.
gets it can have
Wait, there's nothing in it.
it. Yeah, that's what I said that.
Oh, I already have one. Yo, I lost my bag. No. Yo, could you give me a big bag? I just lost mine.
I don't have it unlocked.
Oh wait, can I get that? Bro, somebody stole my bag, bro. No, that's mine. Can I get that?
I'm gonna take
Peace
it.
out, guys.
That's mine.
Peace out my ammo. I got every ammo on my list.
Peace
Who
out.
wants a shotgun? Who wants a shotgun?
Can I have a grappler so
That's
I can
mine.
have?
Alright, guys.